This is a tutorial for how to make a hyperlink using Google Docs. So the first step is I have my content here and I have some words I want to make into a link. So this part here, the Applied Digital Skills website, is what I want to make into a link to that actual website. I'm going to go out to another tab that I have open, which is the website I want to connect to. So I'm kind of cheating here. I'm going to highlight that by just clicking on it once. And now I can either right click on there or I can use keystrokes. For now I'm going to right click and you see I get this drop down and here it says copy. Keystroke would be Control C. So this is one way you can always check to see what the keystrokes are, but this is the same thing. So I'm going to click this and we just know that it's been copied. We believe that. We'll be testing it out in a moment. Now I'm going to go back to my document. Again, we have that blue icon to let me know this is my document. And where I've highlighted it, I actually want to get rid of the, so I'm going to go now and do it this way. So I've highlighted just the words I want to have as the link. There are multiple ways to create this link. What we're going to do is go up here and actually use this icon. As I scroll over it, you'll see it actually tells me here again we have a keystroke, which is Control K, meaning that you hold down the Control button key and press the K at the same time. We're going to go ahead and click on the icon. I'll get this little dialog box. One thing to check is this text what you want people to see? And that is indeed the text I've highlighted. And then you can look down here, it'll give you some suggestions that it thinks might be what you're looking for, but we've already grabbed our own link, so I'm going to go ahead and paste it here. And again, we can right click and we get paste, and you can see here again, Control V would be the keystrokes. And that looks good to me, and I'm going to click apply. Sorry, there we go. Now we can see that before this was black writing, now it's blue, highlighted in blue or some other color. You may have your links a different color, but generally we're looking at a blue link. It's underlined, right? So those are clues to most of us that that is going to be something I can click on and it will take me out to the website. And that is how you make a hyperlink.